Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Click on other videos or go to my website for different uses of this product. Today we are making a crunchy snack using a can of chickpeas. Chickpeas are also known as garbanzo beans. They are high in protein and fiber, a great plant-based protein food source. Let's go make our snack now. Rinse a can of chickpeas under cold water. I found there are two things to make the chickpeas crispy and crunchy. First is to pat them dry as much as possible. Second is to remove the clear skin outside the chickpeas. Let me show you how I do this without spending extra time and with minimum effort. While preheating the oven to 425 degrees, line the bottom of a baking sheet with either paper towels or a kitchen towel. Place the rinsed chickpeas on the top of the paper towels. Now place more paper towels on top of the chickpeas. Gently roll them back and forth to pat them dry. Notice these clear skins are falling off the chickpeas. Discard these clear skins. That's not much work, is it? You can also use your fingers to gently rub off the skins from the chickpeas. They come out pretty easily. These skins trap moisture, so we want them off the chickpeas if we want our chickpeas to be crunchy. When you are ready, spread the chickpeas evenly on the baking sheet. Bake them in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Take them out of the oven after 20 minutes. Coat them well with vegetable oil. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoning blend and a little salt. Here I used Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. You can use Mrs. Dash or mix your own favorite seasoning powders. Just make sure your chickpeas are well coated with oil, seasonings, and salt. Put them back to the oven and bake them at 425 degrees for another 12 minutes. See how brown and toasty they are? Did you hear that crunch? This is definitely your healthy, crunchy, high-protein snack. By the way, you can use them as croutons as well. Enjoy!